there she awaits, the Carnival Pride out of Port Tampa. So the Carnival Pride, quite a bit bigger than the Paradise, but still low enough to get the funnel under the Sunshine Skyway Bridge. All right, kids, where are we going?
We're going cruising.
On a big ship.
A new ship for us.
Because today is
Cruise day.
Cruise Day.
Yay.
Getting on the Carnival Pride.
We'll let you know how
6
it
days.
is. Yeah, 6 days.
Yeah. So, anyway,
We're excited.
she's very excited.
Yeah.
All right, well, we'll see you on board.
Yeah. So this way.
You don't know how to do it yourself?
And it's time to board. Here's all our food for a day or two. Alright, I'm gonna speed this up as soon as I get to the ramp here, and we'll get on a little bit faster.
Well, there'll be later. There'll be later, yeah.
Alright, where are we going, babe?
We're going cruising.
Don't trip. She's happy. Happy wife, happy life.
Happy. Oh, this is different.
A little bit different. No atrium here.
Oh, wow. This is totally
Because
different.
we just boarded differently in a different area. That's the atrium over there. Look who we ran into. Chichamani from the Elation. You gonna be my bartender?
Yes.
Where are you gonna be bartending at?
Blue iguana.
The Blue Iguana? Out in the pool?
Yeah, absolutely.
Guess what, Chichamani? When are you going out there? Because we're getting thirsty already.
I'll go at 1 o'clock since I'm doing this guide duty.
1 o'clock. You seem embarrassed, Chichamani. You know me. Would you like me to show you some videos of you? No. All right, buddy. We'll see you out there by the pool.
Have fun.
All right, Chichamani.
It's good to see you guys.
You too, man. All right, as you can see, the atrium is decorated up. Got the Christmas tree, and I did say Christmas tree. All right, gonna make our way to our room.
Yeah, they just did this today.
We're gonna make our way to our room, and then our muster station, and then meet Max up on deck.
They just did this.
Here I am with Tiffany, and she got something special on the ship, all these decorations. I'm gonna let her explain to you how this works.
Yep, so we do the Christmas decorations. We'll come on the ship in the morning at 7 o'clock when it gets to port, and then we decorate all the ships, and we're off ship by 2 or 3-ish when the ship is gonna leave.
So all these Christmas trees and decorations, they don't belong to Carnival.
Yep, their Carnival they have a service with McGowan Creative Group, and we'll do the ships for them every year when we're in contract with them, and then decorate them up and change them every season.
That sounds cool.
Yep.
Well, thanks for doing it. It looks beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Guess what? We're all ready for our cruise, and it's only how many days?
21 days.
Till Christmas.
Yay. Ho, ho.
Ho, ho,
Ho.
ho. There's my baby. She's getting all ready for Christmas.
Ready. Yes.
And we'll come in and give you a tour later of
Yeah,
the
later.
cabin. So now
We
we
gotta
got to
go
go to
to-
our muster station,
Yep.
which is
I don't know.
D, Terry.
D. We're D. D muster
D.
station. D,
Yeah.
D,
So
D.
we're heading there, get that out of the way, and then we can start to
Eat. I'm
and
hungry.
potty.
Yeah, potty. Okay. Mustard drill, and we are ready to go get something to eat. We're here with
Enjoy with Nom Pumelelo.
Oh, nice. Thank you. You made it fun and easy. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you.
guys. Bye-bye.
Where we're going now?
Now we're going to get something to eat or drink up on the Lido deck. Let's go.
Yep, that was like a easy peasy mustard drill.
Very easy, very fast.
All right.
Yay.
Going to eat. Max ain't playing around. Max got him a whole pizza. I've got macaroni and cheese. I know that all shocks you. Jambalaya, chicken, roasted potatoes, pecan fish, and that's pretty much it for me. Waiting on Terry. All right, Terry, what'd you get?
Buffalo chicken sandwich. They're the best.
Oh, you did get a buffalo chicken sandwich.
Yeah, very good.
French fries. What's that?
An egg roll.
Egg roll.
Uh-huh.
And then you got me some of that when I already have
I didn't know you had it.
I'll eat it. Here we are on the Lido deck. Closable roof. This is pool number 1 on this deck. And you got your red frog over there. Iguana here. All right, here we are.
So hungry.
Yeah, we're so hungry and we got to wait for dinner. It started out as a 70 to 80 minute wait, as you saw in the video.
Anytime dining.
Yeah.
We're hungry.
As you saw in the video before this one, but it's gone down pretty fast. It's like a 20-minute wait now, and it's only been like 15
I want
minutes.
some food, please.
And she's very hungry.
Didn't eat much all day, but we're hungry. And now we have to wait an hour to eat on anytime dining.
And you know what? It's only 21 more days till Christmas.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. She's weird. We'll see you at dinner.
I'm hungry.
I am too.
See.
Starving.
See.
Yum, yum, yum. This ship is a weird setup. This is the upper level of the dining room. That's the entrance over there. And then they have art. No, but they don't realize it. Most people don't care about art. All right, my first appetizer, 2 roasted tomato soups, because it's very cold in here, and I am ready to chow those down. Max got nothing. He didn't order anything.
I got my Jack.
Yeah, he got Jack. And Terry got a fun ship and lots of Diet Pepsi, because those are not mine. Terry got a quesadilla that talks.
Quesadilla, baby!
She is out of control.
How many fun chips?
Terry's second appetizer, my third appetizer, yummy, yummy, healthy salad
It's still my first
with a
one.
lot of,
It's still my first one.
and still his first. All right, our entrees. Terry got the chicken, it's called something else, but it's chicken parmesan. Max got the fried shrimp.
Sweet and sour shrimp.
Okay, and I got the chicken parmesan as well. Terry got a second entree, shrimp. Max got just plain old boring ice cream.
I'm an adult.
I'm not, I'm a child. Although, wait a minute, there's no sprinkles.
Oh my God.
No sprinkles on my banana splits. And look at
There's
her
a cherry.
stealing some of it. And then she got
Because I'm an adult.
healthy
Thank you,
fruit.
Melvin.
All right, so we're done with dinner. First of all, we got the roasted tomato soup. She got the salad. I got the salad. The roasted tomato soup was hot, not cold, as some people say that Carnival food is always cold. Was not hot, cold. And then I got the chicken parmesan. She got the chicken parmesan, which was absolutely delicious. And guess what? It was hot as well. And then we got, well, I got 1 banana split. I ordered 2, but she ate 1 of them. And then she got the fruit plate. Everything that we had was excellent. So stop listening to some people.
Yeah, like
It was all
him.
good. Yeah, that guy right over there. Stop listening to him. Because he's
crazy, but
All right.
our food,
Look at who I hang with.
our food was really, really
It
good.
was good. I don't know where people get off it. It was cold. It was
It was not cold.
good.
It was not
Really
cold.
good.
It's very good.
Peace out.
Peace out.
All right, here we are. We're having dinner with the captain. That is the captain. And he said he'd see us tomorrow at the Diamond meetup. Okay, it's been a long day.
A fun day. We had so much fun.
We did. We had a lot of fun,
I
as you
love
saw.
And I love you.
And one thing about this ship is the hot chocolate is a full cup. Look, a full
The
cup.
Full. Yeah.
Yeah, so anyway, because we drink it because it's
So good.
so good.
Oh, and it warms me up. I'm cold right now, but this is really, really good.
And we're so ready for Christmas. It's so very cold
Hot
outside.
chocolate is good.
It is. Now, here's the best part. You know why she's so happy?
I got
Cookies. And
lots of other desserts.
I'm not sure what all this stuff is, but I'm not sure what that mush is. But she got
That's the
tiramisu.
chocolate
This is
melting cake.
tiramisu.
Right here.
She got cookies, and that is warm melting chocolate
Chocolate
cake.
melting cake. I'm going to try it. It's so good.
So she's gonna eat that.
And
We
then
just
I'm
got
gonna
done
get
with
ice
dinner,
cream.
as you
I
just
know, with some
saw.
ice cream.
And then I'm going to, you
Get
know
some
where.
Ice cream. Ice cream.
And then she's going to.
Bed. I want to go to my room and get all cozy. And
She likes to go
watch
and watch
TV.
HGTV.
I wish David was on, but he's not on.
David's not on.
And I love David. And I love hot chocolate because
All
you
right.
know why?
All right. So anyway, tomorrow is the sea day before
Hot
we get to
chocolate is
Cozumel for the 40th time. No lie, 40th time. And we'll see. We'll pick you up in the morning. Hopefully, matter of fact, we haven't felt this ship move at all.
But
To be
hot
honest,
chocolate is good.
it is good.
Hot
Cheers.
chocolate is
Good night,
good.
everybody.
Good night.
Merry Christmas. Ho.
Ho.
Ho. Ho.
Ho.